Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Action. This is Divyansh. You're watching Series 4 Part 7 of our neutral strategy long call Kandar. This is a long call Kandar. This is an option strategy. You can apply it over Bank Nifty or Nifty or any other stocks. If you are new to this channel, then definitely watch all the series basic to advanced to complex. Watch all the series um, so that you have a better knowledge of option strategies. Okay, so without wasting time, let's begin. I always recommend my viewers to take a paper pen and note down important things, important formula. Okay, so let's begin. Neutral strategy long call Kandar. In this, your view is range bound market. When market is acting like a range bond, when market is range bound market, then you can apply this strategy, which is called long call condor strategy. Buy one ITM call, lower strike A. Sell one ITM call, lower middle B. Sell one OTM call, higher middle C. Buy one OTM call, higher strike D. risk to Risk is limited to difference between the lower strike spread less than less the higher strike spread less premium paid. Reward limited max profit when bank nifty between B and C. In this, when bank nifty is between B and C, then you have a max profit. Break even upper BP, highest strike price minus net premium. Lower BP, lower break even point, lowest strike price plus net premium. Max profit when option A and B exercised. Max loss when all option exercised or all option not exercised. Okay, let's take an example. I have taken an example of bank nifty one lot, quantity 25 quantity. uh, Spot price is 8900, and buy ITM call strike price called say A बाय ITM कॉल स्ट्राइक प्राइस, जिसको हम ए बोलेंगे, 8700. कॉल प्रीमियम 580. सेल ITM कॉल स्ट्राइक से बी, 8800. कॉल प्रीमियम 520. सेल OTM कॉल स्ट्राइक प्राइस सी, 9000. कॉल प्रीमियम 420. बाय OTM कॉल स्ट्राइक प्राइस डी, 9100. कॉल प्रीमियम 380. अपर बीपी 9080. लोअर बीपी 8720. Okay, in this you can see you have a good risk to reward ratio. Your risk is 500 and your reward is 2000. When bank nifty uh, is in between the uh, lower bp and upper bp, then you have a profit of 2000 at 2 points, where 8800. At this point you have a profit of 2000, and this point 9000 you have a profit of 2000. Okay, so I hope you are understanding each and everything. If you are not able to understand anything, then please comment in comment box. This is a final chart of my explanation. Blue line shows जो dark blue line shows net payoff. Your net payoff is 500, which is very low, and profit you get is 2000. And other lines are your A, B, C, D. Blue line shows brought A. Uh, Here purple line shows B sold. Red line shows C sold. Green line shows D brought. Okay. See ya. Have a good day. Happy trading. This is Divyansh signing off.